Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off autocorrect when typing on your PC, and also how to highlight misspelled words when you're typing on your PC. Very simple and easy. So I think this is very good if you use your PC to work, do a professional job. I think you should turn this on, or if you think it's worrying you to follow this procedure, I'm going to show you how you can turn that off as well. So now let's come here. Now let's move to our settings. Good. So on our settings, we move to our devices here. And now let's move to our typing here. Good. So you can see autocorrect misspelled words is on. So in my case, I don't want to, I have a blog which I write articles on. So sometimes since I type very fast, I can make mistakes. So I turn this on and then highlight misspelled words as well on my word. So should in case I misspell a there or something, a simple word, I get highlights there and then I correct it. So that's it. You just need to turn this on, and if you don't want them to, you turn them off, like the way I've turned these things off as well. So that's it. It's very much simple and easy how you can turn on and off your autocorrect and also highlight misspelled words when you're typing on your PC. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.